my channel is Karthik Church. Today I am doing a hand fan. These are the instruments for making a hand fan. Battery, one wire and one plug for battery, for keeping like this, and one switch, fan and one motor with a stick. I stick with already with Google. Okay, first we can take battery and we can keep like this, the charger to this one, and we should connect to the switch one wire. See. After connecting, you can stick with Google or iron melter. Yes, it was sticking. Now we should keep when we can catch for some time. After it dry, we can take the wire to connecting this motor. First we can test the motor was working or not. Otherwise we can change the motor. We should connect for second one the wire. Yes, now we can check but it was working or not. I kept, sorry, I not on the switch and connect to it. It was not working. You can change the switch button and you can test it. It was working, see? It was rotating, the sound was coming, see? Now off the switch and stick this wire for this one also. Google or melter. I stick with Google. You can stick with anything. Some glue for it, and you can stick it straightly. Otherwise, fan will not turn straightly. Yes. Leave it some time for dry. Away. And take the wires. After drying, we should stick the points of this both. Leave it some time for dry. Now we can stick it for the top. Yes, like this. Okay. I stick to the one wire and I am sticking the another wire for the fan. sometime let it dry the drum. Now stick it the another wire like this. Leave it some for dry. Pause it. Now we can on the switch of this one, the fan will rotate. Yes, now it got it dry. Now we can on the switch. See, fan was rotating very fast. See, this one was moving for air. You can off the switch. The fan was made it. Thank you for watching this video and like, subscribe, do a comment.